Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to assign tasks in Todoist in 2026. If you're collaborating on a shared project and want to delegate work to other team members, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open the Todoist app on your phone, computer, or web browser and sign in to your account. Then open a shared project where you and your collaborators have access. Next, create a new task by clicking Add Task, or open an existing task that you want to assign. Enter the task details if you're creating a new one, including the title, due date, and priority level. Now locate the Assign option, or the collaborator icon within the task details. Click it to view the list of people who have access to the shared project. Next, select the person you want to assign the task to. Once selected, save or update the task. The assigned team member will receive a notification letting them know the task has been assigned. If needed, you can also add comments, attach files, or include additional instructions to make the task clearer and easier to complete. As the project progresses, you can reassign tasks, update due dates, or change priorities whenever your team's workload changes. Finally, review your shared project regularly to track completed tasks and ensure everyone stays on schedule and knows their responsibilities. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to assign tasks in Todoist step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.